Hey there, it's Jason from Codemanship with another quarantine video diary, another update. You're probably wondering why I'm dressed like this. Well, there's two reasons really. The first reason is that I would like to talk to you about software craft, or code craft as I now call it. And as you may know, the tradition in our community is that when we talk about software craft, we are required to dress as our favorite science fiction character. And if you don't get that reference, then you're not a real software craftsperson. What I really wanted to talk about relating to software craft is, you may have heard people say over the years things like, oh, if you're not writing unit tests, you're not a real professional, you're not a real software craftsperson. Or they might say, oh, well, if you're not doing test-driven development, you're not a real software craftsperson, you're not a real professional. Now, I think these are all red herrings. I don't really necessarily care how you deliver software. What I care about is the software that gets delivered. So as far as I'm concerned, the craft or the professionalism of a software developer can be measured by the quality of the end result. Is the software what the customer asked for? Is it what they needed? Is the software reliable, or is it full of bugs? And can the software be easily changed when the customer's needs change? So when we deliver something and we learn what really works, can we actually change it to make it what they need, or are we stuck with what we've got because change is too difficult? So that to me is what software craft or code craft is all really about. Everything else is a red herring. I'm not interested in earning badges like craftsperson or master or any of these words. They don't matter to me. What matters to me is the software that gets delivered. And that's what I'm about, and that's what I've always been about. So with that said, I hope you're having a great evening. The second reason that I'm dressed like this, just so you know, is this plopped onto my doormat just now. So I'm having a Classic Who Blu-ray marathon this evening. I hope you've got something lined up. I'm not sponsored by Doctor Who, by the way, or the BBC. I hope you've got something good lined up to keep your spirits up this evening. And I will see you again in the next update.